This is
Alright. Say something funny. You know, like turn my headphones up, kinda. I can meet you in the meat aisle, but meanwhile, I think I mean meow. Do something that is crazy and wild. Take a nap for a while, then kidnapping your child. And there is nothing you can do to prevent this. Inventing new words and inventist. And if I didn't hit the pen, I'd be playing for Juventus, making your defense look completely defenseless. You look like a pig that a blind little boy drew, else put together with some sticks and some toy glue. And my favorite thing to do is annoy you. Big bad wolf, huff and puff to destroy who ever the fuck tries to build up a wall. And you're like Humpty Dumpty cause you fell in it all. And now you're looking like a dummy in a mall. But then again, a mannequin is really what it's called. And so I'll spit flow like an Enzo or Benzo. Sit quick tricks, kid, I'm strong on a fence. So let me sharpen up my pencil utensil. Flip shit, bitch, when I step on the fence. So all of a sudden now I gotta mean something, cause everything before now has only been nothing. Well, now I'm on the floor, so pass me a muffin or a biscuit. Man, you know I've been puffing from the floor to the ceilings when I enter man rage, tearing down all these buildings like we playing Rampage. I don't need a fan page, I don't need a fan base. You can keep the limelight, doing this for my sake.
Joy stupidity, hotbox humidity, stop, drop, rock and roll, man, you feeling me? Joy stupidity, hotbox humidity, stop, drop, rock and roll, man, you feeling me? Joy stupidity, hotbox humidity, stop, drop, rock and roll, man, you feeling me? Joy stupidity, hotbox humidity, stop, drop, rock and roll, man, you feeling me? Smoke a bowl, Joe controlling